What if everything you've been told about achieving financial freedom is a lie? Most of the advice out there is designed to keep you in the rat race, not to help you break free. Let's expose three big myths holding you back from reaching true financial independence. The journey to financial freedom is often derailed by misconceptions. Let's dive deeper into three common lies and uncover the reality behind them. 1. You need to save your way to wealth. Saving alone won't get you rich. Inflation devalues your savings over time, meaning the money you set aside loses purchasing power. While an emergency fund is essential, financial freedom requires investing. The wealthy grow their money through stocks. Dividend-paying stocks create a consistent income stream. Real estate. Properties generate rental income and often appreciate in value. Businesses. Building or investing in businesses provides returns far beyond a typical savings account. Saving is only a starting point. Real growth happens when your money works for you, not when it sits idle. 2. Debt is always bad. Debt has a bad reputation, but not all debt is harmful. The wealthy distinguish between good debt and bad debt. Bad debt, high-interest credit card debt, or loans for depreciating assets drain your wealth. Good debt, borrowing to invest in appreciating or income-generating assets, like property or education, can amplify your earning potential. Wealthy individuals use good debt strategically, leveraging borrowed funds to access opportunities they couldn't afford outright. For instance, financing a rental property can generate income while its value grows over time. 3. Follow your passion and money will follow. Passion is important, but it's not enough on its own. The wealthy approach this myth by aligning their passions with market demand, identifying where their skills or interests solve real-world problems. Monetization strategies. Finding ways to turn hobbies into income, such as teaching, creating content, or consulting. Success happens when passion intersects with skills and market demand. Without strategic planning, passion alone may lead to financial struggles. Ready to cut through the noise and take real steps toward financial freedom? Watch the video above for actionable advice to start building wealth today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more strategies to transform your financial mindset.